Welcome back, and yeah, sorry for the lack of videos over the last couple of weeks. I've been absolutely mentally busy, not had a chance to get the GoPro out. Anyway, we've got the AB Flug Supra back in the workshop. Yalchin's come in for new handbrake actually, so we've fitted a lovely new handbrake, but I'll have to show you the car. This is after like 6 months of driving the car, and it looks like the day it left. It's absolutely perfect. He spends a lot of time cleaning the engine bay. A few little updates. We've done a carbon fan shroud, put the SRD logo, got to do that on the front of the engine. All the polished aluminium work still looks beautiful, well polished. Still looks awesome. New handbrake surround and handbrake on the car. There's nothing better than a nice fresh handbrake. All adjusted up perfectly, and all his gauges and stuff, and his cool modern looking lights inside, looking great still. A few more bits to come on this car in the future, but still looking very smooth. Still a pretty cool car, I'm not gonna lie. It is so fucking wide, it's unbelievable. Anyway, that is it for the AB Flug, and what's next? I better show you what we're doing in the workshop now then, really. Let's have a look around. So behind me, we've got the Chaser being picked up, and this car turned out awesome. I'll show you around the engine bay, inside the car, and the handover that we do. Car's lovely and clean, ready for Jake to come and pick it up, hopefully have an absolute blast on the drive home. The sun's come out as well, so should really enjoy it. So inside the car, it's all lovely and clean. It's all got its mats in it, ready for Jake to come and pick up. Toucan, Alpine stereo, and I like the little link gadget where it flicks the speedo and the rev counter. Got to have a Japanese voice in a Chaser, and then we've got a really cool handover sheet here. Which documents basically everything, all the RPM limit, map limits, oil pressure protection, fuel pressure protection. It's pages and pages long, so we can have a good look through and a read, find out everything about the car. All the lean air fuel protection, knock detection protection, cold, hot and cold start protections, ECU login, what else? Yeah, it keeps going. ECU warnings, fuel pump control, idle control, tacho and speed, traction control, cruise control. As you can see, it's all documented, so if any limits come on, or it just explains everything about the car. So that's really cool to have when you pick a car up from us and we've done a load of work to it. The next thing to show is the dyno plot. So let's look at the dyno plot. Would you believe it? This is what the car come in with power wise. So you've got torque and horsepower. So this is a stock 1J turbo GTE VVTi, and you can see it's not lost any power down low whatsoever. It's just as responsive as a stock car, and then we've given him this massive power. So we've given him like 700 horsepower more than the stock car, and it drives just as responsive as what it did when it come in. So this car is incredible to drive, no lag basically whatsoever. Chaser, yep, really cool car. Can't wait to see what he says about it on the way home, but he's gonna have a lot of fun in it, that's for sure. It is very spicy. The other thing is the Toucan as well. Here's the Toucan control. You can tell it's in a limp mode because it says limp. There you go. Engine limp, engine cold. Shows you what one's in limp. Then we've got a launch control button. We have an anti-lag button. We have the boost control at the top as well. All progressive boost control, boost by gear. We have traction control as well, all the way up to 40%, and then there is an off as well, traction control off, that one there. I'm leaving it 2% wet because it does try to kill you. And then if you go back on another page, this one here, we've got cruise control that you would activate it and then set your cruise control. And then we've got a dirty idle as well, so it sounds a bit more like a rotary. Very nicely set up Toucan, and yeah, it's really cool. Another car in, this is a Supra, and that is a 8HP70 gearbox that we've just fitted. All the prop adapter and stuff is on, the gearbox is on. I've got the Mechatronics unit out at the moment, and that's fun. I'll quickly show you that. Here's the control pack for that gearbox. I've already split the electronics and done the modification to the PCB and TCU. It's having a billet lower sump as well, but we're just finishing off the electronics. I'll put that back together, and yeah, can get the box all built back up, fill it with oil. So pretty busy. Engines behind me are all there. Got another couple to build, so that's cool. Also, Steve's IS is now got a 3.266 Supra diff in the back of the IS 300 Sports Cross. So that's going to make a difference as well. So we'll be able to launch the car. It's got Supra shafts in it. I've done the Figs engineering subframe mod to put all of the Supra diff in. Quite difficult to do actually, not much space to get it all in, but that's done. Exhaust is back on. This one's got the 4-inch cutout underneath it. So yes, Supra shafts and everything's all in. Everything's all marked up. So basically an unbreakable diff in this car. Even at like 800 wheel horsepower, it should be absolutely fine. So that was Jamie's car on dyno. I can't tell you the power yet because he doesn't even know, but it's getting spicy. Just about ready to put race fuel in, and then we can send it a little bit more. But yeah, look for that one on Jamie's channel, up and coming soon. That is pretty much about it, I think. The workshop's busy. There's a load more cars coming in next week. We're just about to box the last of this week's work up, and they'll be returned back to their owners. And next week I'll do another video. I'll try and get some more dyno stuff. I'll try and get the boys to walk around with the camera as well, and just keep you all updated on what's going on. But we're looking forward to the 8HP box, see what that does. Looking forward to Steve's IS with his new diff, see how that performs, and we'll keep going, and we'll try and keep bringing you content to sit back and have a beer and watch and chill out. Please hit that like and subscribe button, helps the channel grow, and we'll keep going. We'll just keep doing videos as and when we can and keep bringing you content. Anything you want to see around the workshop, put down in the comments below, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.